Hello and welcome to this Saturday, and today I'm going to open up this Commander deck. I've had this around for a little while now. This is the Necron Dynasties one. As you've probably seen this already, there's a lot of openings for this one, but I thought I'd open it myself because I like to use it, but I wanted to do this first. So without further ado, we'll open this one up and we'll take a look inside, see what the cards are, what they look like, and if you get anything free inside, like a little booster pack or something. So let's have a look inside this box. Right, okay. So how do we open this up? Okay, so let's see what we get in here. Okay. Okay. Right, so we get the little deck box to put it in, which is quite nice. Look at a Necron on the front of it. I really like that. That's pretty cool. And you got a Necron on the side, nothing on the back. I'll see what it is in there. So that's quite nice. Little box to put it in for now. Oh, and it says Warhammer on the top. So that's go to one side. Nothing in there. Little tokens which I won't bother with. And then we've got the main deck, it seems, here. So nothing else in there. That's all empty now. Not sure what that's for. Anybody knows, let me know. I'm not really sure. That's one side. So looks like we get a little spin down counter with life up to what's that, 30, 40 on that side. And obviously it's be 20 on the other side then, won't it? Yeah. So a little nice little spin down there. Put that in the box for now. Obviously, a little about the deck, which is here. About the cards, primary, secondary cards. A bit about Dynasty, Magic colours. So that's that. Looks like some tokens and a foil card on there. We'll have to look at that in a minute. That's quite nice actually, I like the look of that card. And then we've got the deck there. So let's open up this part first. And have a look at this. So I can get it to focus, might help, mightn't it? There we go. That's that there. Alright, okay. So in here we get the cardboard version, it seems, of the card, which is the Sonic King, which is there. Let's see if we can sort out this light. There we go, that might be better. I'm not going to read it now. So we've got the Silent King card there. That's a bit thick, so it must be a some sort of card one. So put that there. And then you get the Necron tokens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of those. Oh, double sided, you get insects on the back. Got 10 of those there. And then you get the main deck, which I'm surprisingly got the main Sonic King on the front of this one. Let's open up and see what's inside it. Now the reason I got this set more than anything was that I got an old Planes Chase set quite a few years back now, which was the Artifact one, which I thought was quite good. And I like making Artifact Commander decks. Not very good at it, but I enjoy it. So I decided to pick up the Artifact one at the moment. I'm hopefully going to get a couple more, but these are the only ones I've got at the moment. So just go through the cards. Nice Necron one there. Some sort of Traveller. It's quite nice. I do say I like the artwork on these. And then we've got Biotransference. Really nice cards. Even the emblem looks like it's got a little Necron or Warhammer. I don't know how you can see that. See, that's got a little Warhammer feature there, which is quite nice. You got that one. Oh, nice one there. So I just thought we'll go through and just have a look at them. Cryptek. And you got that one there. Focus isn't very good at the moment. Alright. The artwork on some of these cards is really, really cool. Just want to get in focus if I can. It's not going very well with the camera. See, I play a lot of Warhammer, not Necrons, but I'm more of a Death Guard. I know they've got a Death Guard one of these out, but I haven't got that one yet. But that's quite good. I like playing Death Guard and Chaos Space Marines. Tomb Blades. Another one there. Triage Stalker. Now I built one of those for Warhammer, and that's actually a nice thing to build. It's quite nice knowing that when you play Magic and Warhammer, you can know what some of these pictures are and what the animals and the creatures are. Spider, Sentinel, Wraith, Domination there, Vehicle, Monolith, Resurrection Orb, Eternal Glory, Tomb Fortress. I do like the artwork on that, nice and dark. Beacon Unrest, Living Death, Mutilate, Cage Sun, and there's Activate there. Maybe that way. I think what's happened is it's seeing those. Gilded Lotus. It's quite nice. Mystic Forge. Still haven't seen another one of the main card. I thought that would be at top, because when I bought the commander from the last one, Dormir, what it was called, the Painbow one had another one of those right on top. So I'm a bit surprised this hasn't got the same at the moment. There's flash there. Death Guard one there, Cryptek. Torian, another Vehicle. Looking forward to seeing the solving. I think that's going to look quite good. There it is, like the artwork on that. And you got some lands. So I wonder where. Command Spear. Fort Vessel. Doesn't let you get another one in here. That is very surprising. Your lands. How to play. Ah, there he is. He's on the other side of the pack. So we've got that one there. Do like the artwork on that. Do like it in a foil, it's nice. And then you have the Stormlord, which is that one, which is very nice too, I have to say. It'd be nice to actually play this and see how it goes. But there's the two foils there. So that is everything that comes in the box. Hope you like that, and enjoyed it. I will be doing more unboxings of Commander decks and Magic boxes. If there's anything you want to see, let me know and I'll see if I can get hold of it. I hope you like and subscribe.